Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you my review of the brand new Power Station Go from Mophie. This gives us the ability of having so many things just to basically make it a power station on the go. We have a wireless charger on the top, an LED on the side, a power station ability of jump starting a truck, as well as the ability of using two fast charging USB ports, an indicator of course, and last but not least, an actual full-size US plug. This is the Power Station Go from Mophie, and this is TK, and we are on XDA TV. Let's check it out. When it comes to specification, this guy is holding a 44,400 watt-hour power, enough to be able to actually jumpstart an SUV, so a car should have any problem. Just make sure that the battery on this is at least 50%. Wireless charging up to 5 watts with the wireless pad that's positioned on the top. 2.4 amps dual charging ports with the ability of turning them on and off, of course. The ability of actually having that LED light that's built in here right there, very easy to use. And of course, up to 115 watts of power, well, basically 65 watts with 115 volts. So in the package, we actually get a nice carrying case. We do have the jump starter cables that are actually connected with these two options. And now these will actually work specifically with this plug. It will not work with any other plug, and it's actually intended to be specific here. You'll notice right there, there's a flat surface and a rounded surface. So there's no way for me to actually insert it incorrectly. The only way I can insert it is the right way. Put it in, and then at that point we have the ability of jump starting our truck. They do recommend you to have at least a minimum of 50% or higher on the battery level before you're actually able to do a jump start. So if I press and power here, right now it's sitting at 2/3 of it, so that should be enough for me to jump start, and the light will turn on green. If for any reason we do use these incorrectly, let's say I put the positive on the negative and the negative on the positive, this light will turn red and basically stop us from being able to jump start the car. It's very nice, very simple to actually be able to use, and of course the integrated case is very nice. The instruction manual does go through the explanation of how to use this actual unit. Also explains real quick as far as the actual battery level. Let's go ahead and switch over to the beginning. So you can see basically the battery levels and indicators of percentages of what you're supposed to use. And it actually does include a US style power charging cable to be able to charge it straight from the wall. The cool thing is you can actually use the wireless charging functionality as you're charging as well, as it's actually using it straight from the battery. Last but not least is of course the functionality, and it explains to us a positive to positive, push it in there and then push the power to jump start, and of course just initiate the functionality on there, and of course all the other things that you need to learn about charging and using the US style plug. On this one you're able to actually charge up your laptop, so just keep in mind that gaming laptops will not work, so something that uses too much power unfortunately will not be supported, but an average, let's say MacBook Air or even Chromebook should be able to work on here. And I'm actually even going to try to make sure to show you guys how I'm actually connecting it to my Acer laptop. It's not a gaming laptop, but it should be able to power it just fine. The other thing they also include is a USB type A to micro USB. I'm not sure why, but essentially if you have that, or you could just use your own cables with the included option here. Each function in here has its own power button. So the LED light has its own, so I press it once. I'm not going to blind you guys. Here it is. Press it again, turns off, and of course you're able to basically turn it on and use it as easily as a regular flashlight. So this is going to be great if you want to put it in the car, on a trip, all of that good stuff. Of course, wireless charging is going to work very nicely. So all we have to do essentially is just turn on the power. And the reason I say this is you'll notice there's a little bit of an icon here for wireless. So wireless charging and USB type A type charging are all going to work all from the same port, and we'll get a chance to test it out. And again, every time I turn on one function, the indicator here turns on. On the side, if I want to be able to use the power outlet, I do need to push it. And if for any reason the power socket that you're trying to use is drawing too much power, this will blink red. Green means you're ready to go. Red means you have a problem. So very simple, very easy to use. Let's go ahead and plug in a couple of things in here as well as a wireless charger. So here I have a couple of devices connected directly to the two ports. And of course, what we're going to do is actually put in our brand new Galaxy S20 Plus or 20 Ultra on top. I'll go ahead and push the power button here, indicating the power level. So you'll notice charging right there, and then of course wireless charging at the top. All of these things, and I'm also still able to use the wireless charger or the little LED on the top. We cannot jump start a car at the same time as we're doing all of this, so just be aware of that. You are also, of course, able to charge it on the go with the included cigarette lighter adapter. So what I have in front of us is the Acer Concept D. I have it plugged in straight in here with the power adapter. And of course, all I'm going to do essentially is just push the power button for it. I'll go ahead and give it a second. You'll notice it's blinking, and it should stay green if it's able to provide it power. And of course, we can see right there that the LED light is turning on for power on the laptop itself. And here we are at the bottom. If we can click it, it'll actually say, unfortunately, the battery on my laptop right now is 100%, so it's not charging it, but you could definitely see the plug fully charged, and it's actually able to provide it power. All of these things will be provided for you guys as far as more specifications of what you're able to do with the brand new Power Station Go. Again, this is made by Mophie. The link in the description for you guys will be available. Like and subscribe, and make sure you check out my channel. This is TK Bay as usual, and of course, I'll see you guys in the next video.